Hi everyone, this is my Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. It's done about 10,000 Ks on the bike already, and it got some issues with the buttons, but not serious. I think what happens is that the cork swells when it gets in contact with moist in order to make the watch more waterproof. So what I do is, when the buttons get stuck, the stop button at the 2 o'clock position, I would just push and turn it like this with my thumb. Okay, and there you can press again. Press it a few times. Okay, it needs some more turning. Push and turn. Okay. It's loosening up. Okay, now it's working again. It's a good idea to press it often, and if it gets stuck, just push and turn. And the bottom one, I make a point of using it often instead of using my shortcut on my watch face. I'll get to the watch face in a moment. This watch face is the one based on the Sugess. It's the black dial now, but the mechanical Sugess watch has got a white dial. In my previous videos I showed a white dial. The theme switcher is on the center of the face. This is the original Sugess watch. Actually not so original. The moon phase disc has been changed. It now consists of two arms, a moon arm and a sun arm. The sun arm is the blue. Actually, it's only meant to cover the yellow moon disc arm. Now you can see it's just off full moon, and the moon is around just past the 12 o'clock position if you look in the sky, and the sun would be now at the between the 4 and the 5 o'clock position. This is 10 p.m. Okay, to switch the functionality, you can just tap here at the 6 o'clock position. There we have the weekday. Now this is not the original Sugess anymore, but the idea of this watch face is to keep it mechanically as much as possible. Okay, let's switch to the next function. Okay, this is a Scott Spark bike, and it consists of 3 images superimposed to create more of a 3D effect. There you can see the spokes. And there's the date window at 6 o'clock. This is also not standard on the Sugess, the original mechanical Sugess watch. And there's also the Scott brand together with Sugess. just some imagination of a Scott brand coalition with Sugess, but again trying to keep the watch as mechanically possible. Okay, let's just switch between the functions again. There you can see the disc, the original moon disc of Sugess. Now there's also a weekday dial here within the date dial. Okay, and let's look at the movement. You tap it. If you tap at 12 o'clock, you can see the movement. The Seagull ST2130, that's basically a clone of the ETA 2428-1 more or less, with the added moon phase module. As you can see, when the watch goes into rest, it switches back to the dial. There's our movement again. And it switches back to the dial. This GTR 3 Pro has got the watch cover. This is probably what makes the tapping so difficult. It's quite a nice cover. It's made of silicone. I think it's 3D printed. It's got a nice, very shiny gold color. Looks like real gold, but it's soft. And we're back at the black dial theme with the golden arms, golden hands and markings. Thanks for watching.